With this, we take you to the next category, that is Excellence in Product Innovation and Design, large. To do the honors, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sameer Patkule to please join us in doing the honors. We'd also like to welcome Mr. Jayant V. Doble to please join us in doing the honors on stage. Excellence in Product Innovation and Design, large. Let's have a look at the nominations on screen. Okay, it's time to see who the runner-up is. And the runner-up on screen is... well, it goes to Kirloskar Brother Limited, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Congratulations. We have another runner-up here. Let's see who that goes to on screen for you, everybody. And the award goes to... let's clap and welcome Bharat Electronics Limited, Bengaluru, everybody. Time to see the winner on screen, everybody. Let's see who is taking this away. Let's clap and welcome Praj Industries Limited. Let's clap and welcome them, everybody. Congratulations. Let's take you to the next category, that is Excellence in Product Innovation and Design, SME. It's time for SME. On screen, ladies and gentlemen, Excellence in Product and Innovation Design, SME. Here are the nominations. Let's have a look at the runner-up on screen for you. And the runner-up goes to Stanadine India Private Limited. Everybody! Well, we have another runner-up here. Let's see who that is. On screen. Two of them together. Let's call them Omega Seki Mobility and Aeronautical Development Agency, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Congratulations. Yes, that's time for a lovely photograph together. Let's see who the winner is on screen for you. And the winner is... Let's clap and welcome Exalta Coating System India Private Limited.